Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad and in this video we are going to do reading of the lesson Animals Around Us. Our world is really wonderful. We share this world with different kinds of animals. Animals are of many kinds. Some are big and some are small. So children, in our world, there are different types of animals and some are as big as the elephant and some are as small as the birds and frogs. Animals live in different places. Some animals live on land like the elephant, tiger and lion, and some animals live in water like the fishes. Elephant, tiger, bear, dog, cow, horse and are some animals that live on the land. As you can see in the picture, the giraffe, the lion, the deer, the rhinoceros, the leopard and elephant live on the land. Some animals live both on land and water. As you can see in the picture, the frogs, the tortoise and the crabs, they live inside the water also and they live on land also. Some animals live in trees like the monkeys and the birds. Crocodile and duck are some animals that live both on land and water. So some animals live on the land, some animals live in the water, some animals live on the trees and some live on both land and water. Now children, we will study about birds. Birds live on trees but they fly in the air. They have feathers on their body and these feathers help them to fly. They have a beak to eat the food. As you can see in the picture, they have one beak to eat the food and claws to hold tightly the branches of the tree. And the birds also have two legs and two wings, and the wings help the birds to fly. Some examples of the birds are the eagle, the pigeon, the sparrow, the parrot, the peacock, the duck and the hen. Now children, monkey, squirrel and birds. These three animals live on the trees. Fishes live only in water. They cannot survive without water. Fishes have gills to breathe with. So, as you can see in the picture children, like we breathe from our nose and lungs, the fish breathes from the gills. And the fins, as you can see on both the sides, the fish is having the fins which helps the fishes to swim. And the scales on the body, the round circular scales, as you can see there, like we have the skin, the fishes have the scales all over their body. And insects are tiny animals with 6 legs and they have wings also which help them to fly and legs help them to move. The examples, as you can see children, cockroach which we find in the kitchen and bathroom, houseflies which sit on our food, bees like honeybees which gather the honey, grasshopper sits on grass and it is a green colored creature. Butterflies are beautiful and they sit over the flowers. Now children, our animal friends, they are the pets. All of us keep pets at home. They are tame. Tame means children, they are trained. The dog or the cat, it is trained, how to go to the washroom, how to freshen up and how to behave and they are taught all the things. So that is why they are known as the tame animals and they become our good friends. So they give us good company and they become our good friends. We give them names and we also take care of them. So now here's a small thing about two friends, Akash and Suraj. They have a big dog. And what is the name of the big dog? They call him Rover. Rover is the name given to the dog. They take him for walks. So as I told you that they are trained animals, they are tame animals. So they are taken for walks so that they do not do the litter in the house. They have made a nice kennel. Now children, kennel is a small house in which the animal lives. So a dog house is a kennel. He guards the house. So because the masters take good care of the dog. He guards their house and protects them from thieves and robbers. Do you have a pet, children? I have a pet, and my pet is a dog. And what do I call it? I call him Tuffy. Some birds, such as the ostrich, the emu, and the kiwi, they cannot fly. So, although they have the wings, but they are not flying. These are exceptions, children. Ostrich, it is found in Africa. The emu and the kiwi, these birds, they are having the wings, but they cannot fly. So you also have to write here the name of your pets and their name. We should look after our pets. We should not tease them, and we should treat them with love. So now, children, we should have a kind heart and affection towards our pets, and we should not throw stones at them, or make them ugly on holy days and putting colors over them. These kind of things we should not do, and we should take good care of our pets, and also not allow our friends also to do such bad things to the pets. Now, children, in the end, we will revise the lesson. Things to remember. So, animals are of many types. Firstly, they live on the land, water, trees, and some live on both land and water. Birds live on the trees, but they fly in the air. Fish live in the water, and insects are very small animals with 6 legs and wings. Pets are the animals which we keep at home. Now, children, domestic and pet animals are almost the same, but the only difference is that the domestic animals are trained by the human beings, and we get various things from them like the milk, the wool, and they also do work for us, and we get work done from them. And wild animals, they do not live with us at our homes. Where do they live? They live in the forest, jungle, or in nature, and they hunt for their own food. They gather their own food. Thank you, children.